Hey gang, Do-It-Yourself Dan, back with you again. We got another review for you today. Today we've got something pretty cool. This is a T-Series self-leveling laser level. I've always wanted one of these. I've had just a traditional level before that uses the bubble. Actually uses lasers, projects those lasers up on the wall or whatever surface you're working on, and helps you get that real straight and level line. So let's take this thing out and see what it's like. I'm really excited for this. So in the package, we've got the level itself. Comes in a nice case. We've got a mounting bracket, looks like it's magnetic on the back. We've got a holder here, kind of like a tripod holder. So this can actually hook onto something for you, or be used more as like a tripod. And then we have our little instruction sheet. So inside this package there is a nice little belt loop here, or a toolbox hook if you wanted to hook that on there. Did come with batteries, which is nice. It just takes 4 AA, real easy. There is a mounting bracket on the bottom for that stand. Simple button press on the top for all the different functions. And as you can see there, the laser level is there with inside. And then there's a locking mechanism that releases that on the bottom and the top. So you can see that turned on there. When you lock it, you can also use the top button. And this one's nice because you can use both the X-axis, Y-axis, or X-axis, Y-axis by themselves. So you can kind of use this to meet your needs based on what you're doing. Like I said, you can do that X and Y. You can do just the Y or just the X. So let's take this and let's put it up on the wall. Let's see what we look at from a leveling standpoint, and see where we might be able to use this as far as practicality. So far, so good. So here's a good look of it and how it projects on the wall. This green beam is extremely bright, so I think even outdoors, even if you're in the sunlight, you're going to be able to see this beam really nicely. This projects, even with the bright lights that I have on here in the room, it's projecting real nice. So very easy. With the tap of a button, you can change it to that vertical axis, the horizontal axis, and then both the horizontal and vertical together. And as you can see there, that spans across the wall all the way over there and all the way to the other end here. So quite a span on that. It says it can go up to 100 feet, and it's real easy to use. Again, there's that self-leveler function. So it'll level itself out and find its center. And there's also that point where you can lock it into. So you can see there, as it is on my switch plate, it shows just how straight that switch plate is. So this would be really good for woodworking, home building, any type of carpentry. If you're doing even paint lines and things like that, I could see some definite benefit for using this self-leveler. I know that I'll be using this quite a bit within my shop and with all of the projects that I do. So all in all, I definitely recommend a self-leveler, and this T-Series self-leveler is pretty great. So that's all for today, guys. We'll talk to you next time.